Hi everyone, it's Stacey from the YMCA. Today we're going to be making crunchy yogurt parfaits from our Healthy Schools, Healthy Communities curriculum developed by the Michigan Fitness Foundation. So let's get started. As you can see, we have all the ingredients we need right here. We have vanilla yogurt. Today we're using diced peaches, but if you have fresh, frozen, or canned fruit at your house, you can use whatever you have available. And then on top for some crunch, we're going to add granola. So what you're going to do is first add your vanilla yogurt to a bowl. On top of that, we're going to layer our fruit. On top of our fruit, we're going to add our crunchy granola. And it's that easy. 3 simple ingredients. It's a healthy, delicious snack. I hope you guys enjoy it because I do too. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!